Hi guys, in the box first we have the OnePlus 6 itself, and this is a 6 plus 64 mirror black version. After iPhone X, every smartphone manufacturer started incorporating notches into their device designs, and this is the first attempt by OnePlus with a notch. With Google officially introducing dual notch support with Android P developer preview, we can expect a lot of phones coming this year and next year with a notch. There's a TPU case included. It's very hard on sides and edges, so you can expect great protection to your phone, but again there's a disadvantage to it. With OnePlus 5T it's just soft TPU case, and even with that I noticed paint peeling off on top and bottom edges, so just be aware of this thing. Rest of the package includes one red Type-C cable for media transfer and dash charging and a 5V 4A dash charger. It's the same dash charger which we got with OnePlus 5T, so charging time should be the same, and there are no earphones included. Design wise it looks almost similar to that of OnePlus 5T with rounded corners on the back, but the dual camera setup alignment is vertical, and instead of a circular fingerprint sensor we have a oval shaped one now. Back is now glass made, but still there is no wireless charging support. One thing I did notice about this phone when comparing to OnePlus 5T is that this phone feels a little bit heavier. Rest we have power and alert slider on the right, volume rockers and SIM card slot on the left, headset jack, Type-C port, noise cancellation mic, a loudspeaker on the bottom and a secondary noise cancellation mic at the top. On the front we have an earpiece, a 16 megapixel f2.0 selfie camera sitting inside the notch. The screen size is 6.28 inches now with an aspect ratio of 19:9, and it's the same Object AMOLED panel we had on OnePlus 5T. It's AMOLED, so we have darker blacks, punchy colors, good viewing angles, and overall the display seems to be nice, and the screen is more curved alongside of the edges, which I'm liking personally. The phone is running on Oreo 8.1 based on Oxygen OS, and OnePlus 6 also supports Android P developer preview builds. I have tried the P build. Performance wise it's great, but stability wise it falls flat. If you wanna check new features of Android P on OnePlus 6, the link for the video on that is in the description below. The phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor with Adreno 630 GPU. There are multiple RAM and storage variants available. The base variant comes with 6GB RAM and 64GB storage, and it extends up to 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, and has the same 3300 mAh lithium polymer battery. The dual camera setup is technically the same 16 megapixel plus 20 megapixel sensor as that of OnePlus 5T. Just like 5T, the secondary 20 megapixel sensor will be useful while taking pictures in extreme low light conditions. Few other versions include OIS for video recording, and it can also shoot slow motion videos 1080p at 240 frames per second and 720p at 480 frames per second, which is a good thing compared to 5T as it only supported 720p at 120 frames per second. I'm curious to see how this camera performs compared to 5T, and a dedicated video on camera comparison will be out soon. So the initial impressions of the phone are really good. The notch does look cool, but I couldn't find a way to use the notch in a productive manner. Maybe with extended usage I will get to know. So that's about it for now guys. There will be more videos on OnePlus 6 on this channel pretty soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. I will see you soon in my next video.